In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize text boxes in Ninja Forms. We'll use the built-in method that comes with the Layout and Styles add-on, so start by opening your WordPress dashboard. Head to Ninja Forms, select Forms, and open the form you want to adjust. If the Layout and Styles add-on is active, you'll see options for layout and styling right inside the builder. To change how wide your text boxes are, look for the column divider between fields that share a row. Click and drag that divider left or right to redistribute space. This is perfect for placing, say, a name field and an email field side by side. As you drag, aim for balanced proportions that add up neatly across the row. And remember that on smaller screens, those columns will often stack. Using proportional widths keeps your form flexible so it looks good on desktop and on mobile. Next, let's fine-tune the way each field feels to use. Go to the Styles area, where you'll find Form Styles, Default Field Styles, and Field Type Styles. Here, you can adjust CSS style properties like padding and line height. For single-line text inputs, overall height is typically controlled by line height and padding. Increase these a bit to give users more breathing room without breaking your layout. For text areas that need to display multiple lines, you can adjust the row setting when available, or set an explicit height in the Styles panel. Use a height that fits your typical response, and avoid making it so short that it forces constant scrolling, or so tall that it overwhelms the page. If your theme is heavily styled and your changes don't seem to apply, open Ninja Forms, go to Settings, then Advanced Settings, and disable Opinionated Styles. This allows your custom styling to take precedence. After toggling that, clear any caching and refresh your preview to confirm the update took effect. A few quick tips to keep everything responsive and reliable. When you're setting widths, percentages, and max width values, adapt better to tablets and phones than fixed pixel widths. Test the form on multiple devices, or at least with your browser's responsive preview, to catch any crowding or wrapping. If you use other design plugins or a theme with strong defaults, double check that your form still looks consistent throughout your site. And that's it. Open your form, drag column dividers to resize widths, refine height and spacing in the styles panels, and if your theme overrides things, toggle opinionated styles. Save your changes, preview across devices, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you dial in the perfect text box sizes in Ninja Forms.